From the very first week of your freshman year, you're in the clinical skills lab learning practical veterinary procedures. This lab helps us transition from classroom theory to clinical readiness.
Students spend time in the lab during their first and second years, gaining confidence in skills like blood draws, suturing, catheter placement, and anesthesia machine use in low-stakes scenarios, since the majority of the activities are on models.
You'll work with species-specific models including horses, cattle, small ruminants, and companion animals, and advance into doing basic physical exams on live animals. Many of these models were custom-built by our faculty and have realistic sounds and palpations.
Short lectures are followed by hands-on practice in small groups, fostering teamwork and peer connection. Skills taught in the lab are coordinated with other courses, building from basic to advanced techniques. By third year, students are ready to perform live procedures like spays, castrations, and anesthesia, thanks to their lab training.
Students say the clinical skills lab is the most fun part of their week. It's where they remember why they chose veterinary medicine.
The lab is open 24/7, giving students the flexibility to practice skills on their own or with peers whenever they need. At K-State's College of Veterinary Medicine, you don't just learn from textbooks, you learn by doing.